Hello students. So today we have to start the topic human brain. So today it is 2nd May, Saturday. So before talking about the human brain, I just want to brief you about the central nervous system by the flow diagram. So let's continue about the central nervous system. Central nervous system. It is abbreviated as CNS. So central nervous system actually consists of two parts. You know that we will write by the point consists of the brain and spinal cord. These are the two parts of central nervous system. We have to write a little function of CNS also over here. Responsible for sensory activities, storing memories and emotion. Students, we all know that as a human being, what we have the emotions for the different events, either it is good or bad. So it is the work given by the central nervous system. Moving ahead, another part of the central nervous system is what? PNS, peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system, abbreviated as PNS. So again, 2 points are there. Consists of cranial, CRANIAL. Cranial, actually these are the nerves which are being arising from the brain, and spinal nerves are arising from the spinal cord. So these both are the nerves which are the part of PNS, peripheral nervous system, cranial and spinal nerves. Don't be confused about these two nerves. Cranial, these are the nerves which are being arising from the brain, and these are the nerves which are being arising from the spinal cord. That's why the name of the nerves is spinal nerves. A point for the functioning of PNS: brings messages to and from the CNS, central nervous system, to the rest of the body. We will discuss in detail about the structure of human brain, but this is most important to discuss about the human nervous system. Actually, here we are discussing about the human nervous system, means what it consists of, what are the different parts and so on. So it's a little about the human nervous system. So yes students, what we are discussing here, human nervous system. Human nervous system. Human nervous system. And below this, these are the parts of human nervous system. First part is the central nervous system and second is the peripheral nervous system. Now moving ahead, peripheral nervous system also has two parts. See what two parts are there. One is SNS, somatic nervous system. Somatic nervous system. Somatic nervous system. वर्क लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, responsible for voluntary, students, voluntary, the activities which are in your control could be called as voluntary movements, or you can say muscle movements. Another is ANS, autonomous nervous system. AUTO, autonomic nervous system. इसकी फंक्शनिंग लिखेंगे बच्चों, responsible for, here it is voluntary, and ANS is for involuntary. The actions which are not in our control, involuntary actions, such as heartbeat, dilation of pupil, dilation, etc. Again, autonomic nervous system has two parts. See what are these. First is SNS, sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. And another one is parasympathetic nervous system. We have to write the functioning of both these two systems. Responsible for fight, FIGHT, responsible for fight or fight response, Parasympathetic is for responsible for rest and relax action. So students, it is a little about the human nervous system. I hope you have got a little brief idea about the human nervous system. and its components. So again we will discuss about the two main parts of central nervous system, which is brain and spinal cord, by the diagram, and the parts of the brain which are in function and what special function performed by the each part of the brain we have to discuss in the next video.